To get more user-friendly behavior for detecting the Konami code, we are going to use a scrolling window. These are disallowed variables. We're no longer using this variable here. Instead, we are using a scrolling window and a scrolling window pointer. In the Konamic function, where we are looking at the key presses, we now have a variable for if the Konami code was just activated, the raw key press, the expected key press, and the key press we got out of our scrolling window. If we are between 37 and 40, which is the arrow keys, we are going to set the arrow key. But no matter what, we're always going to inspect and use this arrow key. So right here, we're going to make sure that the window pointer is between 0 and 7, because otherwise we're out of bounds of our scrolling window. And then we are going to make an insertion into the scrolling window using the key we just pressed. And then we are going to put this window pointer 1 off of where we just made the insertion. And if we go out of bounds, we're going to roll back around because this is a circular queue. Here's where we're going to check the scrolling window, or the scrolling window for the Konami code. So we are going to loop through every single character, but we want to check backwards. And when we check the Konami code sequence in the window, we need to start from this origin here. So din is the corrected inverted value. And so here is the pointer into the Konami code array. Here's the pointer into the scrolling window. We'll check those two characters against each other. And as long as they are equal to each other, the Konami code will still be set to true here. If the Konami code just got activated here, then we will set the global to true, and the next time we enter this function, we'll end up down here for the key press that comes after the Konami code. Notes, 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 and what we did in this video. You have been here on video 187. Like and subscribe.